Debt is not always bad, but some types quietly destroy families from the inside out. They don't announce themselves. They creep in through easy monthly payments, low-interest promotions, and just this once decisions. Until one day, your entire paycheck belongs to someone else. If you have ever wondered why most middle-class families never break free, even when they earn good money, the reason often lies here: hidden, emotional, and completely normalized. Welcome to the Elite Growth Maps, your ultimate blueprint to master building generational wealth for your family. Today, we'll uncover 4 debt traps that silently erode family wealth and how to break free without starting over. The first trap is lifestyle inflation, the invisible tax on your progress. Every time your income rises, your expenses seem to follow. New job? New car? Bonus? Family vacation? Promotion? Bigger house. It feels justified because you deserve it. But here's the psychological truth. Lifestyle upgrades rarely bring lasting happiness, only temporary dopamine. Studies show that nearly 80% of middle-income earners experience no real increase in wealth after a salary hike. Why? Because every raise fuels new debt, not new savings. Ask yourself, if your income doubled today, what would actually change? If your answer involves more spending than investing, you're walking straight into this trap. Each time your income rises, lock in your current lifestyle for 6 months and invest the difference. That's how you build true margin. The second trap is emotional credit, using debt to solve emotional problems. We don't swipe credit cards because we need things. We swipe because we need relief. Stress, guilt, insecurity, they all drive emotional spending. You buy your kids something expensive to make up for lost time. You upgrade your phone because you're tired of being the only one behind. You buy to feel in control. But in truth, the lender is now in control. Credit companies understand this better than anyone. They study emotional behavior. They know which words make you spend. Exclusive, reward, instant approval. A couple once told me they earned $6,000 a month, but carried $32,000 in debt. Not from emergencies, but treats. They thought they were rewarding themselves for hard work. But every reward came with an invisible invoice. Before every swipe, ask yourself, would I still buy this if no one could see it? If the answer is no, that's not a purchase. It's an emotional reaction. The third trap is the consolidation illusion, the debt that pretends to help. When you roll multiple debts into one lower interest loan, it feels like progress. But most people repeat the same habits that created the original debt and end up with both the new loan and fresh credit balances. It's like cleaning your house by shoving everything into one closet. It looks tidy until the door bursts open. A teacher I met consolidated her credit cards into a personal loan to breathe easier. A year later, the cards were full again, and she now had 2 debts instead of 1. Debt consolidation only works if you destroy the cards, delete the shopping apps, and rebuild your spending habits first. Otherwise, you're just reorganizing your chains. The fourth trap is the tomorrow trap. Procrastinated responsibility. The illusion that you'll deal with it later. You keep saying, I'll pay extra next month. I'll call the bank soon. I'll start budgeting after this season. But later becomes never. And interest doesn't wait. If you owe $10,000 at 22% interest and only pay the minimum, you'll spend more than $21,000 in interest and stay in debt for almost 3 decades. Procrastination isn't laziness. It's fear of facing discomfort. You're not avoiding math. You're avoiding guilt. But here's the truth. Momentum is more powerful than motivation. Call 1 creditor. Cancel 1 unused subscription. Automate 1 extra payment. Today. Tiny steps compound into freedom. Debt isn't evil. It's just a tool. But when the tool starts using you, that's when wealth quietly dies. The truth is, most families don't need to double their income to build wealth. They just need to stop leaking it through emotional debt, hidden interest, and unexamined habits. So tonight, look at your statements, not with shame, but with clarity. Because the first step to freedom isn't paying off the debt. It's understanding how it captured you. In the pinned comment, I've shared a simple 4-step recovery path, the same framework families use to escape these traps one by one. Start where you are. Share your story below, because someone out there needs to know they're not alone in this fight. Congratulations for watching this far. Don't forget to like and leave a comment. Breaking free from debt isn't about money. It's about reclaiming peace.